Subject General Science, Standard 10th. Topic is chemical reaction. Let's see the first chemical reaction, that is combination reaction. A is added with B. It gives you AB as a product. So the definition is when two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product, it is called a combination reaction. Let's see the example of it. Carbon is added with oxygen. It gives you carbon dioxide. Next example. Sodium is reacted with chlorine gas. It forms sodium chloride, that is table salt. Next reaction. Magnesium is burned in the air, that is in the form of oxygen. So it gives you magnesium oxide. Let's learn the next reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Here we have AB as a reactant. It gives you A plus B are the products. The definition is the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. Example, H2O, that is hydrogen oxide, or we can say that water, it gets split up into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Next, methane. Methane gets split up into carbon and hydrogen. Next reaction, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide get split up into sulfur and oxygen. Third reaction, that is displacement reaction. A plus BC. A and BC are the two reactants reacted with each other. It forms AC, and B are the products, or B gets separated from the BC. Definition is the reaction in which the place of the ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions is called displacement reaction. Examples are copper is reacted with the hydrochloric acid. Here you can see that copper is more reactive than the hydrogen, so copper will replace hydrogen, so it forms copper chloride, and hydrogen get separated from the hydrochloric acid. Magnesium is reacted with hydrochloric acid. You can see that magnesium is more reactive than hydrogen, so hydrogen will replace by the magnesium to form magnesium chloride, and hydrogen gets separated from this hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas. Next, copper is reacted with sulfuric acid. So you can say that copper is more reactive than hydrogen, so hydrogen will replace by the copper to form copper sulfate, and hydrogen get liberated from it. Next reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Here we have AB as a reactant and CD as another reactant. When they get mixed with each other, or they get reacted with each other, it forms AD and BC. The partners get exchanged in these reactions. Let's see the definition. The reaction in which the ions in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. Sodium hydroxide is reacted with sulfuric acid. Now, in this reaction, the partners of both the reactant get displaced, so it forms sodium sulfate and water, hydrogen oxide. Let's the next example. Barium chloride reacted with zinc sulfate. Here barium will go along with sulfate, so it forms a barium sulfate, and zinc will go along with chlorine to form zinc chloride. Here I am, your science teacher. My name is Santosh Vishnu Yadav. This is the name of my school YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.